What is going on, everybody? Today I'm talking about QYLD ETF, ticker symbol QYLD. For those of you who don't know what it is, this is an ETF that paid you monthly dividend for a yearly yield of 11.16%. That's pretty awesome. In this video I'm gonna go briefly what is this ETF, what are you getting, and most importantly I'm gonna find the fair value of QYLD ETF, and should you invest it and get 11% dividend annual return paid to your brokerage account on a monthly basis. It's a very popular ETF. Tons of people love it, but is it overvalued or undervalued? This is the question. I did a dividend discount formula Excel, which I will show you exactly how to use, as well as you can check the description below to grab a copy for yourself. So let's get started with the QYLD ETF. Yeah. What do you have here? Basically this, let me just read it real quick. This is a covered call. They do covered call for the Nasdaq. Let me tell you exactly what they do. The fund will invest at the 80% in the Nasdaq 100 buy right index. Buy right index, doing covered calls. They're buying a stock and they're selling calls on that stock for the Nasdaq 100, and basically as long as the Nasdaq, here you go, Nasdaq 100 index covered call options, non-diversified, as long as Nasdaq keeps going up, which I assume it will probably for the next couple of years, if not forever, this fund will do well, this ETF will do well, and you collect 11% dividend. Is it safe? I'm gonna show you exactly how safe it is. These are the top holdings of QYLD ETF: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, Google, Nvidia, NDX, I don't know what it is, probably the Nasdaq US, Nasdaq covered calls, okay, and PayPal. That's what they have at top holdings of the Nasdaq 100. Price today 23.50. Market cap is pretty large. A lot of people are in this ETF. 1.6 billion dollar. 52-week range between 17 and 24. Do not expect like a Tesla 10x run on an ETF that pays you 11%. If you want to diversify your portfolio, if you want to get a monthly dividend into your account every single month, and if you want a safe, at least for me, and I will show you exactly why I think that, just my opinion, not a financial advice, a safe return of 11% yearly on a dividend ETF, that's pretty awesome. Then QYLD ETF is for you. Let me show you what I mean by that. Here's another Excel that I built. Again, you don't have to do anything. Go grab yourself a copy at the end of this video. First, let me show you how valuable it is in the description below. It's called dividend discount formula. Okay, you just put company name QYLD, that's what I put, the ETF QYLD, and we need to find this. I'm going to show you how. To find the dividend that they paid in 2020, 2019, 2018, basically. Because it's monthly, there's January 2021, but I'm gonna focus on the year 2018, 2019, 2020, and we're gonna find exactly that. Once I put those three numbers in, I'm gonna find the dividend growth rate. That's number one. We're gonna find the dividend growth rate automatically, the growth rate as a whole automatically. Price today, I just put the price today 23.50, and we're gonna find the fair value of QYLD. Is it overvalued or undervalued at 23.50? And then I will make a decision if I want to invest in this ETF and get paid 11% paid to my account monthly, which is pretty awesome. If you don't know about QYLD, feel free to search YouTube, because tons of people are loving this ETF because of the 11% dividend, but they don't know the fair value. So in order to find the fair value, we need to start with this dividend of 2018. So let me show you exactly where we're finding this number. Back in Yahoo Finance, guys, click here, historical data. Okay, click historical data. That's what we do. That's step number one. Step number two, change this one, show historical prices. change this to dividend only. Okay, hope you're following me so far. And change this, show dividend only, frequent daily. That doesn't matter, just do daily because it's gonna calculate everything. And time period, I'm just gonna put in the date, I'm gonna put 01/01/2018 until basically at the end of 2018. So this is 12/31/2018. I'm gonna click OK. So far you follow. January 1st, 2018 to December 31st, 2018. Click done. Dividend only, frequency daily. Click apply right here. And this is the dividend that we got paid on 2018. What do you do with this number? You grab your old calculator right here and you add all those numbers. Add all those numbers. Okay. So let me do that, and I will get back to you in a second. I don't want to bore you with the calculation. Basically, you just do this plus this plus this plus this, and that's it. That's it. So I'll get back to you in a second. See here, I did this plus this plus this plus this 12 times because they pay monthly. Pretty awesome. And you got a number of 265. Okay, and I take this 265, go back to my Excel. I put the 265 in here. That's all you do. The next thing you do, you go to Dividend 2019 and you repeat the process. So let me repeat the process for 2019. Like in Yahoo Finance, you just do January 2019 to the end of January to the end of December 2019. Hit enter, hit apply. We got another 12 monthly dividends. Pretty awesome. Let me do the calculation. I'll get back to you. Okay, so you see in 2019 we went down. Number is 232. So if you think it's cheap, it is cheap because I did the calculation before, but you only get 11%, which is a lot, but this is 10% less. 265 2018, and now you got 232. So I'm gonna put this number and then I'm gonna do 2020. This is 2019. I put 232, so we're already down 10% in the dividend growth, and now I need to find the dividend 2020. I'm gonna do that now. Back at 2020, this is what we got. Jump again to 254. That's not bad. That's extra 7% growth from 2019, and in 2020 they grew by about 7%, which is pretty awesome with everything that happened. That's a great well, Nasdaq went up a lot, but that's a great return. So let's put this number in the Excel, 254, and see what we got. Put this number in the Excel, dividend 2020 254, which is not bad. We're gonna find the exact fair value of QYLD ETF according to the dividend discount formula. Once I click enter, and before I do that, time to basically introduce myself. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40, and basically you can find me on many places. TikTok, Finance After 40, where I have about 20,000 community members following me. We also are on Patreon. We are selling options for income using Market Chameleon software. You can get all this good stuff in the description below, as well as this Excel. You can grab a copy of this Excel and use it for valuing either dividend plays, monthly dividend plays, where the finance is not really, well, there's not really a finance for this one, but some stocks you buy for the dividend. AT&T, for example, you buy for the dividend, and if this is only a dividend play, this is how you do it. That being said, let's find the fair value of QYLD ETF according to the dividend discount formula. Okay, we got ourselves a price of 28 bucks. That's extra $5 or 25-30% from here to the upside, plus the 11% dividend yield for the year paid monthly. If you got this, you got a dividend growth of 0.96% as well. That's not bad, 0.96% growth, and the growth rate is 256. Not bad at all as well. And you can check the in here if you want to do like the do it yourself. You can put all the formula, everything in here, or you can just grab a copy for yourself and do calculation for all those stocks. But I will keep doing this exercise, dividend discount formula. I love QYLD. A lot of people love QYLD. You just don't know what fair value belongs to QYLD. That's the key in here. And now I found the fair value for QYLD is 28. As long as it's below 28, it's now 23. I'm very happy to buy QYLD ETF and get paid 11% a year, waiting for it to go to its fair value. Sure, you're not gonna get 10x from this, but you will collect 11% a year. In my opinion, it's safe, 11% a year, paid to your account on a monthly basis. Pretty awesome stuff. Go grab yourself a copy in the description below, guys, and thank you very much. And if you gain any sort of value, subscribe to my channel. Appreciate you all. Leave a comment below if you hold QYLD and what price did you buy, and are you enjoying those monthly sweet QYLD ETF dividend. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Yep.